Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to print double-sided cards when printing with Canva. Printing double-sided cards can seem tricky at first, especially if you're new to Canva or just getting started with card design. But don't worry, I'll guide you through every part of the process so you don't have to guess or waste any paper. We'll start by looking at how to set up your card design correctly so that both sides line up perfectly. Then I'll show you the printing settings you need to select to make sure everything comes out exactly as you want. I'll also give you some tips on checking your alignment, choosing the right paper type, and even saving your design in a format that's ready for high-quality printing. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident creating professional-looking double-sided cards for invitations, thank you notes, business cards, or any project you're working on. So grab your design, get your printer ready, and let's dive in. First thing we want to do is open our Canva dashboard. Then go to the left side of the screen and click the plus icon, which opens a new option where there is a search bar and we will search up card. Now, double-sided cards really help your design stand out and look more professional. They give you extra space to share messages or creative visuals without cluttering one side. Once you get used to it, you can play with patterns, colors, and surprises that make your cards unique. Even for beginners, learning this skill makes your designs look polished and intentional. Then what we want to do is click the type we want. Then a new tab opens where we can edit our part. We will see a variety of double-sided cards. We will choose the one we like. After choosing the one we like, we will drag and drop it inside the editing workshop. Then we can add a page for the other part. After that, we can edit the card the way we want. Then after finishing, we will click Share. Then a new option appears where we will click Download. Then we will change the file type to PDF Standard. I changed the file type to PDF Standard because it keeps your design's layout, fonts, and colors intact. It's smaller in size than PDF print, so it's faster to upload, download, or share. This ensures your double-sided cards look professional without any complications. After finishing up how we want to download it, we will click Download. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about printing double-sided cards in Canva. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to get your designs set up correctly and make sure both sides come out perfectly aligned. Remember, taking a little extra time to check your settings and preview your cards can save you from any printing mistakes. Double-sided cards really make your designs stand out, whether it's for invitations, thank you notes, or even small business cards. Once you get the hang of it, you'll notice how much more polished and professional your projects look. So don't be afraid to experiment with different designs, colors, and layouts. You can make every card unique and personal, and that's what makes creating with Canva so much fun. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.